Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, someone must be talking shit about me. So I recently just got a comment asking me to teach how to play my cover of Quit Playing Games With My Heart by the Backstreet Boys. And if you haven't seen the video already, you can click the link either on the screen or in the description below. Thought I'd give you guys a timestamp in the description so you can go straight to the tutorial and skip all the introductions and the background and whatnot. So for those of you who are still new here, almost 3 years ago I did a cover of Quit Playing Games With My Heart by the Backstreet Boys, and to this day it's it is my most popular video. So honestly, I didn't think much of it. I just thought that it wasn't gonna get any views and nobody was gonna care about it. It's what it looked like at the beginning, but over time it just started getting more and more attention, so yeah, that's cool. Yeah, thanks to everybody for watching it and leaving your positive feedback. Yeah, thank you guys for all the positive comments and even the constructive criticism. Thank you guys for that. I wouldn't consider myself a great guitar player, but I mean, I get asked what the chords are all the time, or a lot, and thanks to the person who asked for me to teach, and I think that I'm actually worthy of teaching this, but you know, a channel that hasn't even reached 100 subscribers yet. I'm sure there's a bunch of other people out there that could have taught this, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Never done this before, so yeah, let's get right into it. So the song's pretty simple. The song is consisted of 3 chords. So there's the G, A minor, and F. So when I first started it with the intro, I basically just hit whatever the root of the bass note was. So G, and then I would hit the G and the B string with the little slap there. Then you go to the A minor chord, hit the A string, same thing, and then hit the G and the B, and go to the F, back to the G, and then you would just do that all through the first verse and the pre-chorus. And when I come back around to the G, I use the bar chord because I think it's just easier to transition from F all the way to the G chord. I mean, pretty simple either way, but your preference. So basically the intro would just go. Yeah, so I guess through the pre-chorus or the end of the pre-chorus and the chorus, I would kind of switch it up. So bad, baby, you better quit playing games with my heart. I almost ran out of breath there. So when you break it down, you're just gonna strum, and then you're gonna do, and then you're just gonna slide. I don't know, I'm weird like that. I just do random things sometimes. I guess everybody also has a preference in their strum patterns, so I get people who ask me about strum patterns a lot. Like, it's really up to you. Like, I just do these things because it's most comfortable for me. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but this is just how I feel the most comfortable, and that just comes naturally when I play the guitar. When I'm playing a song and I'm getting really into it, then yeah, these are just some things that I just naturally do. So it's all your preference, honestly. Quit playing games with my heart, my heart, my heart. I should have known from the start. My heart, my heart, my heart. For the chorus, it's the same chords, G, A minor, F, G. And you're just gonna go down, up, down, down, the bridge, bridge is gonna start off with the A minor chord. I'm gonna go to the G, and then F. So, not too hard. Same strum pattern too.
Oh baby, baby, the love that we had was so strong. Don't leave me hanging here forever. Oh baby, baby, this is not alright. Let's stop this tonight.
And after that I just went back to the picking pattern. Yeah, not too hard. Song is 3 chords, and you're just rotating them all throughout the song. I hope this helps. Let me know how I did in the comments down below. Feel free to leave any other songs that you want to hear or songs that you want me to teach my cover of. And if you want, check out some of my other videos. And I know it sucks staying home all the time, but make sure to stay safe and stay healthy. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah. So, I say so a lot. Sounds pretty simple, so gotta stop saying so. Wow, I'm terrible at this. Okay. Oh my god, this is so hard.